Hello there everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be creating a crystallic atmosphere. It's like a multi-layered sound which I got out of the Spectral plugins which are Ableton native. So this is the sound that we're going for. I'll just play a snippet of it. So the sound that we're going for is this one. Yeah, it's pretty, there's a lot going on. I mean, there's 2 layers to it, and it's atonal to say the least. It's quite atonal. So to recreate this patch from scratch, that rhymed nicely, what we need is an operator, an arpeggiator before it actually, a long note going in F3. In this case, my track's in F. So an arpeggiator sending out 16 division notes, and we need a square wave in this instance. You can experiment with different waveforms for different results, of course. And I'm going to go into the fixed oscillator section here, and I'll get in an LFO at a 16th rate, 1/16, and map it to the frequency here. And I don't want it to go below 25%, and it'll go as high as 75%. And this is what we have so far: a square wave, arpeggiated 16th notes, and a random sample and hold on the frequency. Alright, nothing too fancy at the moment. So now we send this to the spectral resonator. So the spectral resonator is basically a resonator is like a highly resonant bell filter at a specific frequency that we choose here with this knob. We can also go quantized like that. Now it shows you the notes, the precise note. So our track's in F, so we can also go with F in this case. This one has a couple of modes: the chorus mode, the wander, and the granular. Each of them has a different characteristic. The chorus will introduce some wave modulation, and the granular will send out short snippets of this audio, and it'll trigger different envelopes for each of these short sounds. So this is what the chorus sounds like. We can increase the decay like that. So that's how long each sound will take to go down into silence. So yeah, let's go ahead and assign the same LFO to the frequency knob here. Minimum being 50% and a maximum being 75 again. And there's already a little bit of a pitch shift applied here. Usually it's at 0. You can go up to 48 and go down to 48. Alright, let's bring this down to say 400 for now. That's like a quarter note at this BPM. And let's have this go into spectral time now. So spectral time is going to freeze the audio. I've enabled freeze with 100% sensitivity, and onsets are basically whenever it detects a transient or a sound, like a short burst of sound, it'll trigger this section here, which will freeze the audio. And here you can choose the amount of time it takes for this audio, frozen audio, to fade in and fade out. So with this enabled, we get this sound, which can further go into the delay section here. We can sync the delay. Let's take up the volume a bit. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to group the spectral time, and I'll create a separate chain. This one's the spectral time and this one's the resonator, right? Now I'm going to process both of these layers. Sorry about that. Now I'm going to process both of these layers, going through a drum bus, a bit of drive, the compression's activated. Let's actually catch some of those peaks. And now, with everything else, we have this. Cool. Now to give it some psychedelic edge, I'm going to send it through a delay, a 16th delay in this case, and this is really going to take it to the next level. So yeah, that was it for this time, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Cheers.